Welcome back to Crypto Market Updates. Today is the 19th of September, and boy oh boy do I have a juicy piece of drama for you. So if you like drama, crypto drama, then make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course stick around till the very end of the video as I unfold the reasons for why Ben Armstrong, the former I guess CEO or head influencer of the BitBoy community, BitBoy channel, has left. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. So a couple of weeks ago, or maybe a month ago, there was an announcement saying that Ben Armstrong was removed from BitBoy Crypto, and people were speculating on the reasons. Nobody knew what the reason was. Ben Armstrong himself alleged that he created the company in a way that would allow them for his removal, the removal of the person who actually created the company. And for a long time, there was speculations on why he was removed, and finally it came down to a summary of drug abuse and alcohol abuse and loss of funds, which was another thing that was quoted, and for which Ben Armstrong profusely apologized in a rather cringy video, one which I talked about on this channel if you check it out, with a big thumbnail saying drama. And all of these things are, I think, secondary to what actually is going on. These are the reasons, underlying reasons for why he was removed. But the main one is that he is facing several lawsuits. One of them being, I think, by the SEC. So BitBoy is facing lawsuits that are being drawn against him by the SEC and other people, because allegedly he, one of the main ones here was that he was pushing or promoting FTX months before its collapse, which caused people to lose millions of dollars, and which was problematic, obviously. So right now, BitBoy's Crypto's Ben Armstrong exits FTX influencer lawsuit. So Ben Armstrong, the former face behind BitBoy Crypto, has been dismissed from the FTX lawsuit targeting celebrities and influencers. And I guess the reason why that happened is because he made a deal. I'm not sure if you remember, he was talking about moving to Dubai, and then that disappeared. That lasted for like a week, and then he finally left. So my guess is that there was a deal made with him. He would either leave and stop being an influencer, or he would face super charges. And I guess he chose to, or maybe he not chose to, he didn't have a choice. Maybe his initial idea was to leave, to run, to go to Dubai, but what came out of it was him having to leave BitBoy Crypto. Ben Armstrong was voluntarily dismissed from the FTX lawsuit. So voluntarily dismissed, meaning that he struck a bargain. Armstrong's involvement in related Binance matter hinted at a settlement. So FTX is one, and Binance apparently is he's tangled up with another lawsuit with Binance. This guy was crooked as they come. Ben Armstrong is no longer part of the unfolding saga of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange collapse litigation. Specifically, the former figurehead of BitBoy Crypto has been voluntarily dismissed from the lawsuit. The move left crypto users questioning why the plaintiffs made the move and what this means for the lawsuit. Armstrong's unexpected exit. On Friday, September 15th, the co-lead counsel filed a notice of voluntary dismissal in the FTX cryptocurrency exchange collapse litigation. In particular, this move effectively removes Ben Armstrong from the list of defendants. The decision indicates that the plaintiffs have chosen to drop the case against Armstrong. While the exact reason for the dismissal is not apparent from the filing, the move indicates that there might have been a settlement. In any case, the dismissal means that Armstrong has one less lawsuit to deal with. FTX influencer lawsuit and allegations against Armstrong. On March 17, 2023, a group of crypto investors initiated a class action lawsuit against 9 prominent influencers seeking $1 billion in damages for endorsing the FTX token to millions. Ben Armstrong, popularly known as BitBoy, was one of the influencers the lawsuit targeted. So this is your main reason why he is leaving, and that's what cited the loss of funds by the BitBoy, I guess, company who are dismissing him. The lawsuit alleges that Armstrong and other influencers made undisclosed promotions of the now failed crypto exchange, despite Armstrong's claims of having no dealings with FTX. The lawsuit suggests he actively endorsed the FTX months before the exchange's collapse. Not to forget that Elio Trades did the exact same thing. He's got a whole problem. Chances are that he took it off his channel, but he did the exact same thing. He had a whole segment just promoting FTX and selling it to the public. But so I don't know what the case is, but with Elio Trades, but Armstrong, I guess, was a very prominent head out there, a menace to society. To follow up, so here is a picture of BitBoy Crypto apparently at the beach somewhere on the day that he was supposed to appear in court. BitBoy Crypto has become infamous for being implicated in a $1 billion lawsuit for promoting FTX tokens. More recently, he has been called to answer for his alleged harassment of lawyers involved in the FTX suit. Ben Armstrong defied a federal judge's authority on April 20th when he was due to be in court to address the alleged charges of harassment towards plaintiff's counsel. Armstrong instead posted a picture of himself at the beach in defiance of the court date. Here's his post. I'm supposed to be in court today. I'm not. Why? Because I don't give a F. Reckless. Sponsored by Stake. Stake may be paying him some big sums to act like a doofus and basically jeopardize his entire past career. But there is no such thing as bad publicity. That's probably the reasoning he's going after. A week before the court date, Armstrong took to Twitter to directly address Adam Moskowitz, lead attorney for the plaintiffs. BitBoy said he would not be present in court to face the harassment charges, adding he would continue to recklessly bully people that prey on the innocent and the weak. Interesting. The reason for the court summons was to answer questions on his mockery of Moskowitz as part of the bigger 1 billion FTX lawsuit against influencers who promoted FTX. BitBoy will likely see his day in court, as reports suggest an arrest warrant is coming. Dangerous game. Armstrong involvement in the FTX promotion lawsuit appears quite conclusive, despite his suggestions to the contrary. In a March 16 tweet, he said he was excited by the lawsuit. We finally will be able to prove unequivocally I never had dealings with FTX. However, the YouTuber actively endorsed FTX just 9 months ago in a video that has been deleted, but screenshots and evidence of it still exist. Same goes for Elio Trade. He was also endorsing FTX months before. And in all fairness, I mean, these guys, nobody knew that FTX was going to fail. So I'm not sure why they're being pursued, why he's being sued. So it's there's got to be more to it, or maybe they're just, lynching Ben as a sacrificial lamb. Whatever the reason is, I haven't heard anything about Elio Trades having to deal with lawsuits. And apparently the other 3 celebrities that were sued by the FTX lawsuit, were YouTubers Tom Nash and Kevin Pofrath. Never heard of these guys, no idea who they are. And this dude, Jaguars quarterback Trevor Lawrence. I don't play football, so I don't follow, but also these guys, I have no idea, never heard of them. In any case, so that's the reason for why Ben Armstrong is gone. Lawsuits, and there's more lawsuits. So this is not the only one. I guess he's facing several lawsuits against him. He's facing one less. Okay, that's the same one. So there are several lawsuits that he's facing, and I guess he had to step back. Otherwise, he'd be dragging the company, BitBoy Crypto, down under with him, and that's why he's gone. for no other reason. He's probably citing drug addiction and whatever as an excuse more than anything else. In any case, whether it's justified or not that he's being persecuted, well, I don't know, persecuted, he's being sued while others, you know, are not. But I guess he's in the limelight. He's claimed to be a big goat for promoting all kinds of shit coins and whatever in the past, and right now he just got himself tangled up in FTX. That is one of the biggest things that happened to the crypto world over the past couple of years, and he just happened to be in the forefront. Did he know that it was going to collapse? Probably not, just like the rest of us and everybody else didn't know. But he's being made an example of, and that's his schicksal in life. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel. Come back tomorrow. Tonight I'm going to be interviewing the founder of Meowcoin. So make sure to check that out. I should be posting that video tomorrow morning on Wednesday. So come back, make sure you're here, check it out, because it should be an interesting video on the Meowcoin. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.